Hello and welcome to Automation Masters. Today it's day 3 of growing our small account. It is a small account challenge. We have taken this account from 1,000 Rand on day 1, and on day 2 it closed at 3,300 Rand. This morning, as of this morning, we have lost a bit. I think it was hundreds and something Rand. We are now at 3,152. And I'm just quickly showing you the morning of day 3. We've got running profit at around about 550, somewhere there. I'm just going to be showcasing or showing you the instruments that the robot has executed as of this morning. So USD now, as you can see, all right, for those who may not know, we are trading using the Sumari AutoTrader Robot, which is a hands-free trading robot. It works on both the smartphone and a laptop. It runs on our smartphone servers. If you're running it on a laptop, you'll obviously need to have your laptop on in order for it to execute trades. But if you want to have it execute trades around the clock, even when your laptop is off, you need to have a VPS. So quickly showcasing how the trades are moving. The robot has executed a sell on USD CHF. We sold over there. Market went up a bit, and then it has come back down. This is a sniper entry. As you can see, it was a sniper entry there at the top. So let us quickly see how much is this USD CHF making. It is currently making 61 Rand. As you know, we are using proper risk management. And then now the next trade that we have is Brent crude oil. It's the one that is busy dealing with our account. We took a sell over there. The market went up. We lost that sell, and then now it took a buy. The market is going down, of which it looks like we're going to lose this trade as well. And it will obviously take a sell, as I was saying. It's taking a sell. So we've lost 2 trades on Brent crude oil. And if it is going to lose another trade, I'm going to have to let go of it. But I saw that it moves very nicely. I don't normally trade it, but I want to see how it's going to be trading today with the Sumari AutoTrader Robot. So now the Brent crude oil, let us quickly have a look at it. Brent crude oil is sitting over there at minus 3.66 Rand. So we'll see how it moves. So currently now our profit is shot up around about 800 from when I started. It was still at around about 500. So it means that our instruments are shooting deeper into profit. With the USD CHF has moved deeper into profit, sitting at 92 Rand over there. And now I'm looking at NZD USD. NZD USD took a beautiful snapper entry over there, has shot up, busy shooting up nicely. It has moved up to the top over there. Nice one on NZD USD. Let us see how much money is it making. It's making about 56 Rand because we used a very small lot size. And GBP-CHF, look at that beautiful sniper entry selling from there at the top. And it has come down very nice. It's coming down very nicely. And what you need to know, if you didn't know, is the fact that our Sumari AutoTrader Robot, it has an automated stop loss and take profit. So as this trade is selling over here, it will keep on going down. If it gets to this level, for example, and it picks up a buy, it will close the sell and open a buy. Automatically that will become take profit and SL. But if the market could quickly move going back, if there's news, it will obviously have to automatically close the sell and buy immediately. Look at that, 954. While you guys are experiencing this, while you are watching GBP-CHF, let's see where is it sitting. GBP-CHF is currently sitting at 80 Rands. GBP-NZD, beautiful one over there. Took a sniper entry at the close over there. Remember, these are M30 trades, medium to long term type of trades, and we are milking it. So GBP-NZD has shot down nicely, sitting at that support area. If this support price become a price of support, it will obviously close our sales and buy. But if it's going to be breaking it, it will not do such a thing. Even if it can retrace, it will continue to hold until the market comes back to our entry, comes back to where the profit is, and continue shooting down our profit direction. GPNZD is currently sitting at 145 rands, which is beautiful. We use also a small lot size. Only once the account has reached 5K will we start using a bit of bigger lot sizes. Currently, our equity is sitting at 3.7, 3.8. So right now, another trade that we had is JPY. We took a buy over there, was very late with that entry. The market went up a bit and then it shot all the way down. We took a very painful loss on GJ. The first trade was a losing trade. So you need to know that this is not 100% winning system. I'm not trying to promote or sell or showcase that to you, but I'm just showing you that it does work well with sniper entries. So hence you still need to use like proper risk management so that if we do get on incorrect entries, you don't lose too much money. So it has revived itself, GJ. It is currently sitting at about 290, 300 something now. It lost about 110 rands on this trade, so we have made back and more. That is what is important. So now UJ, it's another trade that was executed very late at the top. We bought and then it shot down. We sold at that area. And UJ is making about 103 rands. It has made back the money that it lost over there. And the DJPY took a sniper sell at the top and it has moved nicely until over here. So in the DJPY is currently making about 68 rands. So you see, out of all the instruments that we're trading, the only one that is not moving nicely, it's Brent crude oil, but it's still runabout entry. We'll pay attention to how it moves during the day, and I'm sure that you are able to see as how we're growing the small account, the consistency. So you need to be patient when you're growing a small account. You don't want to take a 1,000 rand account to 10,000 rands in one day, meaning you over leverage your account. And when you do so, you can easily blow that account. When you're growing a small account, you need to adhere to proper risk management. You can see the type of lot sizes I'm using, so that can serve as a guideline if you are to use this type of a capital. If you're using a 10K account, you'd obviously have to multiply this to a 10th, and then you're able to use a proper lot size from there. This is the Sumari AutoTrader Robot. It's day 3. Let's see how far we can be able to push this account. I'm happy with the progress. And yes, it's a beautiful one. It's a beautiful one. If you're interested in this trading robot, waste no time. Do contact me on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp contact details are in my link in bio and the description down below. So do contact me and my team and we'll be able to assist you and get your hands on this trading tool. Do get it while it's still affordable to do so. But for now, the exciting news that you have for now is the fact that this robot is still on special. So you can get it for 2,000 Rand monthly subscription. Its normal price is 2.5, and you can get it for lifetime ownership at 7,500 Rands. That's on special. Its original price, it's 25K for lifetime ownership. So these specials are ending at the end of July. As from the 1st of August, you're going to be buying at the normal price, which is going to be 25K if you're looking for the lifetime ownership, and the monthly subscription is going to go back at 2.5. Right now, we're sitting at 811, and you can see the percentage growth from day 1. How beautiful is this? This is the Sumari AutoTrader Robot. It's time to trade. Let's go. Get it!
Driving your Benzo, making your money while sleeping, considered a Nasdaq. Oh yeah. Nasdaq. Man, I hate to admit it. I like to live a good life, that is why I'm trading. Oh, what a feeling. Mao, yes, you could do it, man. You can do a 10, you can do a 40,000. Making all the money while you're chilling on your couch.